Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let us start today's session. This session for class 3rd, subject Science, chapter 3, States of Matter from your second term book. It's lecture number 3 and topic will be summary. As you already know about this chapter, in this chapter we have studied about the states of matter. First, let me explain what is matter. Everything around us is matter. For example, pen, pencil, book, chair, water, air, biscuit, toffees, building, etc. All these are made of matter. But the question is, how do we define matter? Well, according to science, matter is defined as everything that has weight and takes up space or has volume. मीन्स साइंस के अनुसार मैटर को हर उस चीज़ के रूप में डिफाइन किया जाता है जिसमें वज़न होता है और जगह लेता है और या मात्रा होती है. ये स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द वॉल्यूम? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. यू मस्ट लिसन केयरफुली. Volume is the amount of space which is occupied by something. For example, a pencil takes up a small volume while the book occupies a large volume or takes large space to fit in. See, one more example. आप यहाँ इस इरेज़र को देखिए. इस इरेज़र की लंबाई, चौड़ाई, मोटाई मीन्स इस इरेज़र में कितनी जगह कवर की हुई है, ये सब को हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो हम इस इरेज़र का वॉल्यूम निकाल पाएंगे. बट यहाँ पर हमें वॉल्यूम नहीं निकालना है, बस ये समझना था कि वॉल्यूम किसे कहते हैं. Matter comes in different states and the three most common states are known as solid, liquid gas. Three common states are solid, liquid, gas. Solids. Solids have a definite shape. And volume. But they don't flow. For example, pencil. As you can see on your screen now, जैसा कि आप इस पेंसिल को देखकर अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि फिक्स्ड शेप एंड फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम मीन्स कवर, कितनी जगह घेर रखी है, पर फ्लो नहीं कर सकती है। मुझे उम्मीद है आप समझ गए होंगे कि जो सॉलिड चीज़ें हैं उनकी फिक्स्ड शेप एंड फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम, डेफिनिट वॉल्यूम होती है। आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन, सो लिसन केयरफुली. Solids have a definite shape and volume, but they don't flow. Next is liquid. Liquid. Liquid don't have definite shape, but they have a definite volume. But they have a definite volume. Yes, dear students, liquids flow. Liquids flow. For example, water, milk, juice, soup, tea and coffee, etc. After listening to the example, you must have understood that the things that flow or that we can drink are called liquid. लिक्विड का वजन तो होता है बट कोई शेप नहीं होती. आप जिस बर्तन में डालते हैं ये उसी की शेप ले लेते हैं. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड about gas. Gases don't have a definite shape and volume, but they also flow. लिक्विड की तरह ये भी फ्लो करते हैं. दे टेक द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर इन विच दे आर कैप्ट. मीन्स कि जिसमें आप गैस को जिस चीज़ में रखते हैं उसमें वो उसकी शेप ले लेती है, जैसे लिक्विड की. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर हम एग्ज़ाम्पल की बात करें, बैलून्स, tires, etc. Before I end this chapter, I want you to discuss one more thing. Can three forms of matter be changed from one form of matter to another? Yes, this is seen in water. Solid, ice, liquid, water, gas, steam, or vapor, water vapor. Solid, ice, liquid, water, gas, steam or vapor. Let us revise once again. Melting, melting, evaporation, condensation, freezing, their definition. The process by which a solid changes into liquid on heating is called melting. The process by which a gas changes into liquid on cooling is called condensation. The process by which a liquid changes into solid on cooling is called freezing. The process by which a liquid changes into gas on heating is called evaporation. Melting, the process by which a solid changes into liquid on heating is called melting. Now let us do question answer in your notebook. So open your notebook. So open your notebook and make a format from date. Then you have to write day. Chapter number 3. Chapter name. States of matter, and here write down C.W. Whenever you do this work, you have to date and day according to that day. You have to write date and day according to that day. आपने उस दिन के date और day mention करनी है यहाँ पर जिस दिन आप ये काम करेंगे. And whenever you work with me, जब भी आप मेरे साथ काम करते हैं तो you have to write C.W means class work. Okay. Whenever you do your work with yourself, with your parents, जब भी आप पेरेंट्स के साथ पे घर पे अपने आप काम करते हैं तो you have to write down HW. And here write down question, answer. Question number 4. Differentiate between liquids and gases. Answer is liquid have definite volume but gases don't have definite volume. Write down question number 5. What are the three forms of water? The answer is the three forms of water are ice, solid, water, liquid, steam, water vapor, gas. Question number 6. Write down question 6. Define the following A. Evaporation, Evaporation, write down again. Is the process of conversion of matter from liquid state to gaseous state with that to water or any liquid. B, condensation similarly condensation is the reverse of evaporation any liquid. Condensation, similarly condensation is the reverse of evaporation any liquid. Now open your book page number 22. This time for homework solution. It's practice zone A. Tick, write the correct answer. Number 1. Liquids do not have a dash. A. Definite shape. B. Definite form. C. Definite container. D. Definite steam. Right answer is A. Definite shape. Number 2. Water exists in dash. A. 2 forms. B. 3 forms. C. 4 forms. D. 5 forms. Tick the B option. 3 forms. Number 3. The process by which a solid changes into liquid on heating is called A. Evaporation. B. Melting. C. Condensation. D. Freezing. Yes, the right answer is B. Melting. So mark the B option. Number 4. The process by which a liquid changes into solid on cooling is called A. Freezing. B. Melting. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. A. Freezing is the right answer. Next is Yes, note down your homework. There is an assignment in your homework. Assignment number 1. Question 1. Define the following. A. Condensation. B. Solids. आपके इनको definition लिखनी है. Second question. Multiple choice questions. 1. The process by which a liquid changes into solid on cooling is called. Options are A. Freezing. B. Melting. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. Number 2. The air around us is a mixture of A. Solids. B. Liquids. C. Gases. D. None of these. You have to choose the right answer and tick that one. आपको अपने आप चूज करना है कि राइट आंसर कौन सा है और उस पर टिक करना है. ओके. इन थर्ड क्वेश्चन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट, जूस इन इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ. किसका जूस एग्जाम्पल है? सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस. आपको वो यहाँ पे आंसर करना है. सेकेंड नंबर, एनीथिंग दैट हैज वेट and occupies space is called. Anything, कोई भी चीज़ जो वेट और स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई करती है वो किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, वो क्या चीज़ है, वो आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चैप्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट T फॉर ट्रू एंड F फॉर फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स. Number 1 is matter can be changed from one state to another. मैटर जो है वो चेंज हो सकता है एक स्टेट से दूसरे में. मीन्स लिक्विड से गैस में, गैस से सॉलिड में, सॉलिड से ऐसे चेंज हो सकता है. कौन? मैटर. अगर आपके अकॉर्डिंग ये सही है तो यू हैव टू राइट टी, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू राइट हियर एफ. सेकेंड, सॉलिड फ्लो इजीली. सॉलिड जो चीज़ें हैं वो जल्दी इजीली फ्लो हो जाती हैं, बह जाती हैं. This is your homework and you have to do on time and send it to my on email ID. Subscribe this channel if you like my video that it is this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.